Okay.
Doc, you're coming, Doc. Just wait a moment. We wait for the cadet, yeah?
Turn around.
Yeah, I will turn.
Is it cold? Warm? Good? Weather today? Where are they? On the other side?
I know.
Can go. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Yan. Paralay muna saglit. Ano ha? Saglit lang. Yan, ano ka, papakita ko na sa kanya yung beach landing. Yung sa kadete. Ha? Saglit lang naman. Wala pang ano, mga 30 minutes na siguro.